Welcome to Secure Management Faculties, where your mind is key before you unlock what is seen. Secure Agent Dreyfuse. As a user standard below, hit the Sell Your Guns tab. If you have an additional firearm, send that firearm out, fill out the paperwork, get that extra currency. If you need to contact me, go to securemanagementfaculties.com, hit the Establish Contact tab, send me a message, I'll respond promptly when able. Alright, this is the Secure Management Faculties maintenance period. Each week we'll be doing the week word, and you'll see the number that we're on, and of course in the channel description as well. To the right hand side of the screen, you should see the concentrated definition that will be concentrated on in reference to the search, on an image of the search, and then to the left hand side of the screen you will see the actual definition inside the magnified descriptive image. Now, understand that we're going to be talking about ambition today, and ambition is going to be elaborated obviously by me, and we'll be reading the exact script message of ambition. Then we're going to elaborate on that and touch bases as far as what ambition means for me and as a channel as a whole when being created and or in active application of use. All right, ambition is a strong desire to do or to achieve something, typically requiring determination and hard work. I want you to understand that ambition itself is something that is not necessarily something stemming from the idea of having to be determining or having to implement determination and hard work, because in life some things are harder and easier for others, but the desire portion of this definition is what speaks to me the most, because it says a strong desire to do or to achieve something. And regardless if you have a strong desire to do or to achieve something or not, that doesn't mean the task is going to be necessarily hard. Hence the word typically being used. So, disconnected from the idea of whether it's hard or not, you have the desire, and the point is, the source of all this ambition is that desire. So what you want to think about is, what is that desire built off of? Because anybody can have ambition to reflect their desire, but if their desire's framework is not actually built correctly, or I'm gonna be honest about it, any desire framework is built correctly, because it could just be weak or strong comparatively to what is strong and then what is not strong. But why are you having that desire to be ambitious about? Are you wasting your time? Is it just a lust for something? Because what's going to happen is your ambition may be set forth, the actions that you're going to take that can be typically determined or require hard work or not. But if your desire is fickle and flimsy, it was built proportionally off of microscopic lust or disproportionate concentrated, should be strong but not strong pillars, you'll find yourself in a condition that will allow you to get away with that for a long time or even a short time, and then collapse will happen. So to conclude this without dragging it out too long, understand ambition and what it typically requires that the definition clearly elaborates on. Understand that the desire itself, or to achieve something, needs to be cultivated first. You can even take this as my opinion first. But if you have a desire that is motivated by outside experiences, another person, or even a situation that you may be involved in that's pumping you up to feel that stimuli of being alive, or whatever it is that keeps that desire alive, I would suggest that you reevaluate it, because it's nothing like having a desire that can easily be deflated. All right, secure management faculties where your mind is key. Before you unlock what is seen, Secure Agent Dreyfus, again, welcome to the maintenance period. This is the week word. We are on 0, the introduction to that. Let's continue forward, and I'll see you guys on the next upload of the week word. We'll have a new word, we have a new definition, and we'll have a new elaboration. All right, this maintenance period will be continuing until the maintenance is finished. But until then, you will be seeing the week words being produced. You can head to my personal Facebook, Dreyfuse D. Smith. Hit the description, find a link, go straight to it, and you'll see the same image being projected on my creator page, but the elaborations take place here on YouTube, on the channel. All right, till the next upload, thank you. Appreciate the observance.